Hi, my name is Shah suspension lead for Class 1 this year. Today I'm going to talk about our 3D printed uprights. They're a crucial component to our suspension system as they link our suspension links, brakes and hubs together. The forces that occur between the rotor tyre interface are transmitted through this upright. Thus the upright has to deal with this multitude of simultaneous loadings on and off. So we have to take this into account when we doing the design. This year our unsprung mass has increased due to our in-hub wheels. The unsprung mass negatively affects the performance of the vehicle as it increases the momentum of the wheel, which moves up and down, which means we cannot keep the wheel on the ground and extract most of the performance out of the tyre. Thus we have to reduce as much weight as possible in the unsprung mass. This can be done through reducing the weight of the uprights. We use Hyperworks from Altair to topology optimize our uprights with respect to weight. This generates a very organic shape which we cannot manufacture and can only 3D print. Thus the MTC have helped us using their 3D printed titanium technology to develop a solution for the issue at hand. Hi, I'm Shah suspension lead for Class 1 this year.
Again.
I need to move.
Hi, I'm Shah I'm Shah